Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we are in Amsterdam. Come join us as we explore this amazing city and stay till the end where we give you a valuable tip and an event we may or may not recommend to go to. Amsterdam's a beautiful city with lots to see and do. It's also the capital of the Netherlands. It's known for its picturesque canals and architecture, including, you guessed it, windmills. To see windmills up close, visit Zaans Schans. Zaans Schans is an historic Dutch village near Amsterdam. There you can see working windmills and traditional wooden houses. You can also see traditional craftsmen carving clogs. You can try on a pair to see how comfortable they are, and even purchase a pair for yourself to take home. Zaans Schans can be easily reached by train, and entrance is free, but some attractions have a fee. Check out their website for their most up-to-date pricing. The next place we're going to visit is Volendam. Volendam is located northeast of Amsterdam and is about 30 minutes away by car. We thought we'd include it in this video because it's worth a visit. Here we visited the Volendam Cheese Factory. The Volendam Cheese Factory is a museum and cheese shop known for their Dutch Gouda cheese. Stop in to see demonstrations and cheese tastings. Be sure to see this picturesque fishing village and try a seafood dish at one of their restaurants, try a Stroopwafel, or spend the day shopping at one of their many shops. There really is something for everyone here in Volendam. Next, if you're near city center and want to try something exciting, you can take the free ferry to the Amsterdam Tower. The Amsterdam Tower offers stunning views of the city and an over-the-edge swing. There is an indoor-outdoor observation deck, sky bar, and restaurant. Check their website for most up-to-date pricing. A fun way to see the city is by bike. Bike rentals are available throughout the city, but be cautious. Cycling is the main mode of transportation here and may not be the best place for a beginner. You will see bikes everywhere in Amsterdam. An absolute must-do in Amsterdam is going to the Rijksmuseum. The Rijksmuseum is the National Museum of the Netherlands. Works from Rembrandt, like his famous The Night Watch, can be seen here in the Gallery of Honor. You can also see the paintings of another famous Dutch artist, Vermeer, at the museum. One of his famous paintings is called The Maid. Besides paintings, there are other collections of over 1 million objects at the Rijksmuseum. Here's a fun fact. There are life-size 3D bronze sculptures of Rembrandt's The Night Watch by artist Alexander Torotinoff. These sculptures were located in Amsterdam at the time of our visit, but now have been relocated to Artland in Landgraaf, the Netherlands. Another famous Dutch artist, Vincent van Gogh, has a museum in Amsterdam. His masterpieces are part of the permanent collection, such as sunflowers and almond blossom. You can purchase tickets directly from their website. A must-see when you're in Amsterdam is the Anne Frank House. Here you will tour the Franks family's hiding place and be introduced to the story of Anne Frank. The Anne Frank House can only be visited with tickets pre-purchased online for a specific time slot, so check their website and plan accordingly. One thing you will love about Amsterdam is their food. The iconic one to try are Stroopwafels. They even have vending machines called Febo with different types of hot foods like croquettes and frikandellen. It's quick and easy. Give it a try when you're visiting. If you've made it this far in our video, go ahead and give us a thumbs up and subscribe. It'll help our channel grow and keep videos coming your way. The Pancake Bakery and Bowls and Dogs were our favorite places to eat during our visit. Just look at that delicious food. Next, you can't come to Amsterdam without taking a canal cruise. And if you visit Amsterdam around the holidays, you can catch a light festival canal cruise. During the holidays, the canals are transformed with lights. Demand for these canal cruises are high, so book tickets early. This is the famous 7 bridges where you can see all 7 bridges at once. Here's a money-saving tip. City cards can save you some money if you're planning on seeing some major highlights during your visit to Amsterdam. For example, the Amsterdam City Card gets you into more than 70 museums, public transport, a canal cruise, and bicycle rental. We will post all links in the description box below. Next is Madame Tussauds. Madame Tussauds is a wax museum and it's always a fun time. Here's a travel tip. Check online for combined tickets to the wax museum and the canal cruise to save money. Last but not least is Amsterdam Tulip Day. Amsterdam Tulip Day takes place every year in January to mark the beginning of the tulip season. People can pick their own tulips for free at the massive picking garden in Museum Plain. The picking garden features around 200,000 tulips in various colors and varieties. Be sure to check their website for the date of this year's Tulip Day and their opening hours. Here's a travel tip. Be prepared to get in line for a couple of hours before Tulip Day officially opens. When we went, the line stretched as far as the eye can see. We only had one day in Amsterdam for that trip, so we decided to skip it. Would we recommend it? Only if you have a few hours to wait in line. Here's another travel tip. If you strike out at the Tulip Day festivities, you can always go to a local market like Jumbo or Albert Heijn and pick up a tulip bouquet there. Lastly, if you're headed on a cruise in Amsterdam, the cruise port is centrally located and easy to get to. Comment below and tell us if you've ever been to Amsterdam and what was your favorite thing to do there. Here are some pictures of our sail away for our Baltic cruise on Royal Caribbean's Brilliance of the Seas. Catch our videos of our port adventures from that trip headed your way soon. Just hit that notification bell so you don't miss them when they're released. Thank you for joining us vintage travelers in our tour of Amsterdam. We hope we gave you some ideas for your next trip. See you at the next video. Bye for now.